I started as an investor and I just started working with, because I was like, I don't want to be that investor that sort of writes a check and then walks away. I'm like, I'm giving this founder 10 grand, 20 grand, 30 grand of my family's money because it's my own money. And then I'm just going to sit back and hope that they do well. I'm like, I have a fiduciary responsibility to me and the founder to make sure they're wildly successful. So I tell every founder that I invest in, I go, if you're not okay with me being relentless in trying to make you successful, don't take my money. Don't take my money. If you're looking for someone that's going to give you a check and never hear from them again, I'm not the guy. I'm not. I have an obligation to make you wildly successful. So I am going to be in your face all the time, making introductions, introducing investors, trying to help you grow. If that's not what you want, I am not the guy for you. And I found that founders were like, why wouldn't we want that? That's actually what we do want. And that was an epiphany for me. I'm like, really? Everybody doesn't do that? They go, no. In most cases, they write a check and then we never hear from them again. And we ask for help and they never give it. I'm like, well, that's not going to be me. That's really, and that's where the Hands On Angel brand really was born.